Your ProWeb software has been designed to be user-friendly and easy to use, so that learning a new software doesn't have to be overwhelming. Navigation inside your ProWeb returns is straightforward, and with a few simple tips, you'll be ready to create returns with ease. Tax returns in ProWeb are separated into 6 main sections to help mimic the natural flow of the 1040. These include basic information, federal section, health insurance, state section, summary/print, and e-file. When you start a return in ProWeb, the program will guide you through all of the basic information menus before you can access the rest of the return. Once completing basic information, ProWeb immediately jumps you into the federal section, starting with income. As you work through the sections, clicking Continue at the bottom of each menu will take you to the next section in the list. For example, when you continue past income, you will land in deductions. The program will hit each of these menus for you, all the way to the e-file menu. You also have the choice to jump around to the different menus if you prefer. For example, if you know the taxpayer isn't going to have deductions, rather than clicking Continue at the bottom of the income menu, you can use the left-hand navigation bar to skip to the next section you need. As you reach tax forms that you need to make entries for, just select the Begin button to get started. All tax forms for ProWeb use a data entry method to complete. All you need to do is put the correct information in the right boxes. Always make sure to click Continue at the bottom of the page to save your entries. When the tax return has forms attached to it, you'll notice the Begin button changes to Add/Edit. This easily lets you know which menus have entries. You can also quickly tell which forms have been added by checking the paperclips in the left-hand navigation bar. Any form added is paperclipped under its appropriate section. If you need to jump back to that entry, just click on the paperclipped item. Any menu in ProWeb that allows you to make multiple entries, such as the W-2, will display the entries in a list when you access that section. This allows you to see each entry separately. The pencil and trash can icons allow you to edit or delete the entries from the list. If you attempt to save an entry in ProWeb with missing or invalid information, the program will flag it and list any errors found at the top. These errors will tell you exactly which part of your entry has an issue. When you are getting towards the end of the return, you will reach the tax return summary page before you access the e-file menu. This page has an interactive 1040, which allows you to review the return. The lines on the interactive 1040 can be selected and will take you to where those entries are added in the tax program. As you add entries to the return summary on the right-hand side will give you an accurate calculation of the current AGI and the taxpayer's refund or amount due. This also includes the state returns as you add them in the state section. If at any point during the return preparation process you want to see a PDF of the return, you can click Preview Return. The PDF will be generated and then can be opened in a new window for you to review. Lastly, the taxpayer name drop-down will have a few additional tools to help you while completing the return. From here, you can change the return to Spanish, add notes, and access helpful tools such as IRS publications and the prior year comparison. Knowing these simple navigation tips will help you get around your new program and focus more on return preparation.